How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do a tutorial to get a big Adam's apple naturally. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So your Adam's apple, you can clearly see mine clear as day. It is very, very prominent. You can see it very, very easily. Here's the thing. You can't physically make the size of your Adam's apple bigger. That's based on genetics, but you can make it more visible. So it's going to appear way bigger by doing a couple of easy steps. The first thing that you should do is a couple of different exercises. The exercises that you choose, they don't have to be the same as the exercises I choose. I'm going to show you guys some pretty basic ones you can do at home. The exercises that you pick, you should be able to feel the exercise targeted in this area right here. So if you don't feel the exercise working this area, it's not going to be effective. So the first one, and this is by far the best exercise you can do, is literally get your head, lift your neck up. You'll feel a nice stretch in here. This is a great exercise to do. So just like this. So do like about 10 reps, wait a couple minutes, and then you can do this again, 3-4 sets of doing this, 10 reps. You can do more, you can do 20 reps if you want to. Works really, really nicely. The next exercise that I like, that I really feel in this area right here, is opening your mouth like this. Just like this. Open wide, and you'll feel the stretch in here. Another exercise you can do is lift your head up and then do that. So like this. So lift your neck and then open your mouth. That works really good too. You do these 2 or 3 different exercises, I guarantee you, your Adam's apple is going to be way bigger. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.